Welcome back. This is Precalc section 6.5 part 2 notes. The last thing that we have to talk about today is how to find the area of a triangle using Hurons area formula. This you may or may not have seen already from geometry, but it's actually a really easy formula to use. In order to be able to use this formula, though, we first need to find the semi-perimeter of the triangle. The semi-perimeter, which we call S, is equal to 1/2 times the length of the three sides added together, A plus B plus C. So basically, the semi-perimeter just ends up being half of the perimeter of the triangle. And Huron's formula is that the area of any triangle can be found by taking the semi-perimeter times the semi-perimeter minus side A times the semi-perimeter minus side B times the semi-perimeter minus side C, and that is all under a square root. So now we're going to use that formula to solve our final example. Example 3 says, Mr. I Am Fine wants to purchase a triangular lot in the downtown business district. The lot frontages on the three adjacent streets are 127 feet, 292 feet, and 352 feet. And we want to find the area of the lot that Mr. I Am Fine wishes to purchase. So our first job is going to be to find the semi-perimeter of this triangle. S is going to be equal to 1/2 times the sum of the three sides, 127 plus 292 plus 352. So we go ahead, add those three numbers together, divide it by 2, and we end up with a semi-perimeter of 385.5. Now that we have our semi-perimeter, we just have to plug our values into our Huron's area formula. So the area of this triangle is going to be equal to, big square root here, 385.5 times 385.5 minus 127 times 385.5 minus 292 times 385.5 minus 352. And again, this is all under the square root. So be careful with your order of operations. Make sure that you are doing your math correctly. Your calculator should tell you that underneath the square root, we should end up with 312,134,193.9. So that would be 312,134,193.9. And then when we take the square root, we end up with an area of 17,667.3. And since our lot length here was given in feet, then our area units are going to be in feet squared. And that's it for chapter 6.